Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and today's videos comes from a subscriber wanting to do this kind of effect. I think she's building a ring around something and just wanted this type of effect. She told me small balls intersecting around a ring, so I thought there's two ways to do this. The old-fashioned way, the way I used to do it, and I'm just going to show you that because I still would kind of do it maybe sometimes because I just hit P on the keyboard because I think I've got a little bit more control sometimes. Now I'm going to take both these and I'm going to hit T as in Tom and put it to the top, but I didn't want that. So what you want to do, you want to select your outer box first and then your inner box. Hold down your shift key and then hit T and it puts it to the top of the page. Now, the reason I say I've got a little bit more control because I want to see what the ball is going to look like intermittent. I did both these a little different. The one on the left is the blend tool, the one on the right. And you could get this effect with the blend tool, but I think this looks a little bit better. So we're going to go and we're going to make a duplicate of our ball. Let's make sure I didn't already do that. Yep, put it back. Control D. Right, left click on it again and get it to the center. And then I'm going to rotate this ball till I kind of get where I kind of think it looks cool. Now it's 8.3 and that's not divisible by 360, so I want to make it 8. I'm going to control D again. This time we're going to go 16, and then from there on Corel will take over. And it's equal. Now I'm going to get rid of my major ring. I'm going to select it all. I'm going to go to the weld tool and weld it. And then all I have to do is get my smart fill tool and fill it in. And as always, left click no fill so you don't have a hairline there. Now let's do it with the blend tool. Let's put this back in the center, P, draw that approximate size ball. This time we're going to go and fill it in and take away the hairline. And then I'm going to make a duplicate, control D and just put it anywhere. Select both those and go to effects, blend, and I'm going to go 45 times because that's what this did. And it does that. Go down here and put new path, pick it on your path, and then go right up here and put blend along full path and hit apply. And it's done. This is a little quicker, and that happened to look pretty good because I drew the right size ball. Now you can always go to range and break blend apart to do anything. And what I would do is get rid of that line. And to do that, I'm going to set my nudge factor on 2 inches. I'm just going to pick one of the balls and move it out of the way 2 inches. And then click on my line and delete it and put my ball back 2 inches. And then select it all and then hit Control G and group it. Then you could resize this to any shape you want, any size. It'll stay pretty good. And I hope that helped them a little bit. And thank you for watching.